A warm welcome to the students of class 4. Subject EVS 1, lesson number 2. The interrelationships between living things. Part 2. I hope the explanation done in video 1 was clear to you. Now students, let's have a quick recap of what we have learned. Recap. The needs of all living things are met in the environment. We have many needs: food, water, air, clothes, and shelter. Any type of living things will be found only where all its needs are fulfilled. We keep some animals to satisfy our needs. So, children, we have seen how animals satisfy our need. We also use their services for some of our work. Just as we need animals, we need plants too. Plants are most important part of our life. Children, let us see how are plants useful to us. Are you ready to welcome our green friends? Now students, let's move to the world of plants. The role of plants in the environment and human life is very important. Trees are blessings for human world. Now we have a speaking tree which will tell us what we get from plants and trees. I give you innumerable things. I give you food grains such as cereals and pulses. Do you eat vegetables and fruits? Students, you must eat plenty of vegetables and fruits. You get vitamins and minerals which help you to grow stronger. Lovely flowers make the earth beautiful. You get edible and medicinal oil from me such as sunflower oil, coconut oil, eucalyptus oil. Perfumes are made from me. I give you cotton wool and jute. You make clothes and bags out of it. Medicinal herbs like basil, mint, aloe vera are good. I also give you rubber and gum. And the most important is the pure air which you breathe is all because of me. Hence, we are called lungs of the earth. So, dear children, we have seen how the trees are essential and what they give us is more than enough. Now, let us say this slogan and be thankful to trees. No nature, no life. No nature, no life. We get plants that are useful to us. We grow them methodically and systematically. Farmers sow seeds, they make sure that they water and give manure to the plants whenever necessary. They spray pesticides and insecticides to protect plants and crops from insects and then yield 100% crop. Students, all living things are not only interrelated but also interdependent. Please look at the slide. Let us see, for example, chameleons eat insects, snakes eat mice and frog, tiger eats deer, goats and sheep, they eat leaves, cattle eat grass. And when these animals die, they break down and add nutrients to the soil, and the plants grow in abundance. Thus, we can conclude that there is an interaction among different living things and they depend on each other for their needs. Now students, when we see around, do all animals live in the same place? No, yes, you are right. They live in the different surroundings. Now let us see how animals are classified. Animals are classified in 5 types. Animals which live in water are aquatic animals. Animals which live on land are terrestrial animals. And now this type of animals are very interesting as they live both on land and water. We call them amphibians. Animals that live in air are aerial animals. And now students, where do you see monkeys, squirrels and bees? Yes, we see them hanging on the trees. They are found living in the tree. They are adapted to tree top. We call them arboreal animals. Now, arboreal comes from the Latin word arbor, which means tree. Arboreal means living in trees. They form an interesting group of animals. They spend most of their time eating, sleeping, playing, and raising their young ones. Now you have seen the trees are great help to the animals. But do you know these animals also unknowingly help the trees? Students, I know you are surprised how animals can help the trees. So let's see. Children, unknowingly, animals help the tree with whose support they live. As they move around here and there in the surrounding, they spread the seeds of the fruits they have eaten through their droppings. Now, what are droppings? Students, dropping is the excreta of birds and animals. Because of these droppings, new trees grow in different places. Do you know, children? Animals also ride on the back of other animals to fulfill their needs. Look at the picture. What do you see? Yes, two animals. Just identify. Yes, one is a buffalo. And which is the second? Look at this picture. Yes, someone is saying that it is a stork. Yes, next, it is a crane. No, children, it is not a stork nor a crane. It is a egret. Have you seen this bird anytime? Now I'm sure you want to know why this egret is riding on the buffalo's back. Let's see what happens. When a buffalo is grazing in a grassy area, an egret is seen riding on the buffalo's back because a certain kind of egret feeds on different kinds of insects. Grass is full of all kinds of insects, but because they are hidden in the grass, the egret cannot see them and catch them. As the buffalo trades on the grass, the word trades means to walk on the grass. The buffalo walks on the grass, it frightens the insect which fly out of the grass. As soon as it flies out of the grass, the egret on buffalo's back makes no mistake in swooping down to catch and eat them up. Now tell me, how many seasons do we have? Yes, you're right. We have 3 seasons. Look at the picture. Which are the seasons? Yes, summer, rainy, winter. Yes, summer, rainy and winter. Very good. Now let's welcome the summer season. Hello, summer. Summer season is from February to May. The sun is bright and hot. Everyone likes to drink cold water. Children especially love to eat ice creams and drink juices. We wear loose cotton clothes. In summer season, trees get new leaves. Forest appears to have taken copper color. Their color changes to green as the leaves grow bigger. Sound of a koel is heard. Yes, can you guess? Yes, it is the sound of which bird? It is a koel. Yes, it's a cuckoo bird. Students, your most favorite yummy juicy fruits are available in the market. Mangoes. Mango trees are grown all over Maharashtra. The Konkan region is famous for mangoes and cashew apples. We also get watermelons and papayas in plenty. Now let's welcome rainy season. Hello rains. What a bright smile as you recite the poem Raining, Raining All Night Long. Rainy season starts in June and ends by September. The sky is full of dark clouds, thundering. The black clouds, green grass, cool air. The greenery is soothing after the hot summer. Children, you love to see rainbow with its 7 colors in the sky. Frogs appear everywhere. We also hear the loud sound of frogs croaking, bringing us the message of rain. Different kinds of insects are seen. We get jackfruits, jamuns, karvandas, lychee, cherry, and peaches. It is the time for the crops to grow in fields. Farmers are busy working hard. Now, tell me which is the third season? Yes, my dear children, you are absolutely right. Let's welcome winter. Hello, winter. The winter begins in October and ends in January. As the rainy season ends, it is time for winter to be back. It grows colder and colder. We wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves, and in the same way, the coats of many furry animals become thicker in winter to keep them warm and protect them from the severe cold. The growth of hair is especially noticeable in animals like sheep and some type of goats and rabbits. To escape from the cold, frogs go deep under the ground for a long period of slumber, which lasts for 7 or 8 months. Students, winter in Maharashtra is also called the season of Pangal, that is falling of leaves. Trees shed their leaves. We get plenty of fruits like oranges, sweet limes, grapes, etc. The end of winter is a time for the mango tree to blossom. Blossom means getting flowers, and then these flowers turn into. These blossoms are called mohar in Marathi. So, dear children, we have seen how the seasons affect all living things. Changes take place in the living world and how the environment appears. So, always remember, all living things adapt and adjust themselves to the environmental changes. With this, we have completed our lesson. We have seen 2 videos of this lesson. I hope the explanation was informative and interesting. Did you enjoy learning? Very good. A very big star for all of you for being extremely sincere and attentive in this learning process. Keep learning till we meet again. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.